Are your qualified leads dying in the pipeline? In sales, silence is expensive. Many leads do not go cold because they are bad leads. They go cold because the follow-up is not consistent. After the first contact, reps often move their attention to hotter opportunities. Some leads are forgotten. Some are followed up too late. Some receive random just checking in emails with no real value. This creates 4 common problems. First, leads fall through the cracks after initial contact. Second, every rep follows up in a different way, so there is no predictable nurture system. Third, manual follow-up takes too much time as lead volume grows. Fourth, without tracking, the team cannot see which follow-up cadence, message, or timing actually brings leads back. The bottleneck is this: your sales reps are manually managing reminders, nurture emails, re-engagement attempts, breakup messages, and CRM updates. That is not scalable. This is where WinFuture can help. We built an N8N plus AI follow-up automation system that makes sure no qualified lead is left behind. First, we create automated inactivity triggers. The workflow monitors your CRM. If a lead or deal has no activity for a set period, such as 14 days, the system automatically triggers the right follow-up sequence. You can set different inactivity rules for different lead types or deal stages. If a rep logs a manual activity, the automation can pause. Your team can also receive daily reports showing which leads entered a nurture sequence. Second, we build personalized multi-touch nurture paths. This is not just sending generic checking in emails. The workflow can send a relevant case study, share a helpful article, create a manual call task, or combine email, LinkedIn touches, and sales tasks in one sequence. The content can be personalized based on the lead's persona, industry, deal stage, or last known interest. Third, we build intelligent handoff back to sales. When a nurture lead re-engages by replying, clicking, or visiting an important page, the automated sequence stops immediately. The assigned rep gets a Slack or CRM notification with the full context, and a high-priority follow-up task is created. The ROI is clear. Automated follow-up helps you maximize the value of every lead you already generated. It ensures 100% lead coverage, so every qualified lead receives consistent, timely, and relevant follow-up. It can increase re-engagement by running proven nurture sequences that bring cold leads back into active sales conversations. It improves sales productivity by freeing reps from manual follow-up work so they can focus on engaged prospects and closing deals. Most importantly, it turns follow-up from a random art into a predictable, data-driven nurture system. So how does WinFuture build this? Step 1. We audit your current follow-up cadence and logic. We review how your team follows up today and map out the ideal nurture and re-engagement sequences. Step 2. We design the triggers and sequence logic, such as no activity for 14 days, the content for each touchpoint, and the exit rules when a lead re-engages. Step 3. We build a custom N8N nurture workflow to monitor CRM activity and run follow-up sequences across email and other channels. Step 4. We test sequence timing and CRM sync to make sure each activity is logged correctly. Step 5. We launch in phases, starting with the segment of cold leads before applying it more broadly. Step 6. We analyze performance and optimize based on re-engagement rate, message performance, and sequence results. This is how WinFuture turns manual follow-up into a structured nurture engine. No forgotten leads, more consistent follow-up, higher re-engagement, better sales productivity, a more predictable pipeline. If your team is still relying on reps to manually remember every follow-up, WinFuture can show you a demo of how this automated follow-up workflow would work for your business.